Hello everyone, my name is Harshvardhan Yadav. Today's date is 20 December 2021. Today's topic is Java version. The Java version history. JDK Alpha and Beta 1995. The Java Alpha and Beta was the first recessive, but they have highly unstable APIs and the ABIs. The supplied the Java web browser was named WebRunner. JDK 1.0, January 23, 1996. It was the first stable release version of Java. Its codename was Oak, and the first stable version of JDK was JDK 1.0.2, and it is called Java 1. Up to JDK 1.0.1, the private protected keywords could be used together to create another form of protection which used to act as a restriction and methods or variables, mainly subclasses of a given class. In JDK 1.0.2, this is capability has been removed. JDK 1.1, February 1997. Some additions were included in the version, that is the concept of inner class. Java Beans JDBC RMI AWT event model was totally reshaped. Reflection, which is supported instructions only, modification was not possible at runtime. JIT just in time compiler on Microsoft Windows performs, produced for the Java Soft by Symantec, and Intel Agency of Unicode support the organizing from Tagilant. J2SE 1.2, December 1998. Its codename was Playground. First time it was the called J2SE Java 2 Platform Standard Edition. It replaced the JDK to recognize the base platform from J2EE Java 2 Platform Interface Edition and J2ME Java 2 Platform and Micro Edition. It was very important Java releases and tripled the size of Java platform to 1.20 classes and 5.9 packages. Some additions were included in the version Java plugin, Java Ideal, and Ideal implementation for the Cobra interoperability collections framework. The Swing graphical API was integrated into the core classes. Sun's JVM was equipped with a JIT compiler for the first time. J2SE 1.3, 8 May 2000. Its codename was Crystal. Some additions were included in the version, that is Hotspot JVM included. RMI was the modified to support optimal compatibility of Cobra. JNDI Java naming and dictionary interface. The Java platform debugger architecture JPDA included Java Sound synthetic proxy classes. In J2SE 1.4, February 6, 2002, the codename was Merlin. It was the first Java platform that was released under Java community process. Some additions were included in the versions, improved libraries, Perl regular expression included, provided exceptions chaining. It allows to exception encapsulate original lower level exception. IPv3 support, internal protocol version 6, logging API specified in JSR 47, image input output API for reading and writing the images in format like JPEG and PNG, XML parsers, and XSLT processor integrated, security and cryptography extension, in bracket JAC, JAAC, JAAS integrated, support and security updates for Java 1.4 ended in October 2008. Then J2SE 5.0, September 2004. Its codename was Tiger. It was originally numbered 1.4. It's still used to internal version number. It is a so it was changed 4.5 to better reflect the level of maturity, stability, and scalability and security of the J2 SE. The process also was released under Java Community Process. Support and security updates of Java 5.0 ended on November 2009, but updates was available paid Oracle customer May until 2015. Thank you.